Hi, I will just give you an update as to how many boxes are broken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 boxes are broken. Including the 4, you sent 504. So that's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's a total of 16 boxes broken. Plus, there's many covers that are broken. So we are missing, ilan ang kulang? 13 boxes that doesn't have cover. Here they are. There's not much cover that we can use for this 13 boxes. There. This doesn't have cover. And there's another 2 there. That doesn't have cover. There's another 3. So how many covers ang kulang? 13 covers are broken. Or we are missing 13 covers. So there's 16 broken boxes. Please take note. Thank you.